Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. We're thinking with you today about why would you get a commercial building assessment on a new construction, on a new build? Most people go, oh, it's brand new, it's going to be fine. Not necessarily. Builders and code officials ask different questions than commercial assessors do. Builders want to get things done. Lenders want to make sure the money's in the right place. And let's be honest, government code officials spend on average less than a minute in each property. We ask, how is this building going to be maintained? How is it going to be serviced? What type of upgrades does it need? What will the moisture intrusion that's sure to happen do to the property? We look at it from a bird's eye view as a full building assessment. Check us out on WBTC3.com. We'd love to inspect for you. Thanks again.